Welcome to my cozy studio. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful plant pot using paper mache clay. It's so easy and fun. I'm so excited to share this project. First, we'll start with the shredded paper here in this glass bowl. See how light and airy it is? Next, we have hot water. I'll pick it up slowly so you can see the steam. And finally, we have the PVC glue. This will really hold everything together beautifully. I'm pouring the hot water over the shredded paper. Be careful, it's very hot. Let it soak overnight to make a soft pulp. I prepared this bowl of soaked paper overnight to make sure it's fully broken down into a soft pulp. Now that the paper has soaked overnight, it's much softer and ready to be turned into pulp. Feel the difference. Okay, now we'll put the blender in and turn it on to make our pulp. Watch the paper change. I am going to gently squeeze this pulp to remove the water. Look at that satisfying texture. Now I'll transfer it into this bowl. I love how tactile this is, squeezing out the water. It's so satisfying. Watch the water drip, it's almost meditative. I'll just set this aside. Now for the fun part. Mixing the pulp. Just a little glue to start. See how it changes? Adding a little vinegar to prevent mold. I'm adding more glue to get the perfect consistency for our project. Let's keep kneading this mixture until it becomes a smooth, moldable clay. Look at this. It's so smooth and soft, ready for anything. It holds its shape perfectly and doesn't stick. I've found that patience really is the key to working with this medium. Just let your hands guide it. Isn't that satisfying? The clay feels just right. It's so smooth. I'm gonna shape it into a sweet little flower pot. I am so excited to show you the flower pot I made from paper mache clay. It's not finished yet, it still needs to dry, but I love the texture. This is the finished flower pot after drying for 24 hours. It's solid and ready to use. You can leave it as is or decorate it. You can also get creative and mold the pot into funny shapes like this. See how unique it is? It's beautiful on its own, but you can also paint and decorate it. I hope you feel inspired by this DIY. We can save the planet together with this sustainability project, repurposing paper into something meaningful. Thank you for joining me. I hope you'll create something beautiful with this. See you in the next sustainable project. Bye-bye.